Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. You need to begin by accessing Tab menu. After that, look for auto rotate icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is gray. That means that automatic screen rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by clicking on the same shortcut one more time. If you wish to, you can always click on Home button and go into Settings instead. In them, scroll down and click on Display section. Then scroll down one more time and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen. If it's gray, that means that auto rotation is off, but you can turn it on by clicking on the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!